Amajita head coach Raymond Daga has spoken publicly for the first time amid growing controversy over his salary, following widespread criticism of the South African Football Association (SAFA) for its alleged underpayment of the under-20 national team mentor. The storm was backed by former SAFA technical director Walter Steenbok, who in a radio interview claimed that Mdaka, who led the national under-20 side to victory at the AFCON, was earning less than 25,000 rand per month. The revelation ignited fierce backlash from fans and pundits alike, drawing attention to the perceived undervaluing of local coaching talent. SAFA CEO Lydia Monyaopayo responded to the claims last week during a presentation before Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Sports, denying that Ndaga's salary was as low as reported, but confirming it remained under 50,000 rand. The confirmation has only added fuel to the fire, especially in contrast to the reported six-figure monthly paycheck received by Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos. Mdaga, however, remained composed when addressing the controversy during a homecoming celebration in Limpopo, hosted by the Greater Tzaneen municipality on Thursday, and said most of the things can come up. As a coach, you need to have that heart of accepting some of the things, especially when they are out of your hands. You cannot stop people from talking, much as how they speak about you. Some things might be disturbing, while others might come as a support. But all these other things we don't normally focus on. We just allow it as it is, and nature will sort it out, signaling his intent to rise above the noise and continue focusing on his craft. In a gesture of appreciation, Tzaneen Municipality awarded Mdaga and his foundation 35,000 rand to support his upcoming grassroots development initiative, a football and netball tournament scheduled for 20 and 21 June in Nkowankowa. He said, "I'm a bit relieved. I started the foundation with just 4 primary schools, hosting netball and football matches. The second year we expanded to 8, and this time around we are looking at 16 football teams and additional netball squads. Managing the logistics is always challenging." Beyond the tournament, Mdaga's ambition is to use the platform as a springboard for young rural talent, and said, "The biggest vision for me is to see kids from rural areas make their way into academies where they can showcase their talent and grow." While the salary debate continues to simmer, Mdaga's focus remained rooted in nurturing the next generation of South African football stars, quietly letting his work do the talking. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.